Cloud hosting keeps your business running 24/7. But when multi-factor authentication fails, even you might lose access to your own system. MFA is designed to secure your data, but in cloud environments, it can break access entirely when it fails. And that means your business could come to a halt. Here are the top reasons MFA fails in a cloud hosting setup: lost or changed mobile devices, time sync errors causing invalid login codes, no backup authentication method, MFA not transferred when users switch devices or teams. When this happens on a hosted server or remote cloud desktop, the results can be serious: downtime, data delays, and support overload. So here's how to keep things running smoothly. Set up MFA with Cloud Sync-enabled apps. Add recovery emails or backup devices. Keep your device time auto-synced. Before switching devices, export or transfer your MFA settings. At A2 Cloud Hosting Services, we guide our clients to set up MFA the right way: secure, reliable, and cloud-ready. Avoid downtime. Stay protected. Keep your cloud under your control. Need help with MFA or secure cloud access? Reach out to A2 Cloud Hosting today. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We're here to help.